Guangzhou SIPUXIN Light Industry Machinery Company Limited is a professional manufacturer and supplier engaged in cosmetics machinery, pharmaceutical equipment, food machines. Main products include vacuum homogenizing emulsifier, mixing tank, RO water treatment, storage tank, filling, capping, labeling, code printing, and packing machine. Our machinery have passed CE quality certificate. Our modern factory in Guangzhou office occupies 8,500 square meters. We have advanced manufacturing and testing equipment, such as highly precise cutting, drilling, tapping, shearing, bending, polishing, sprayer painting machine. Through CAD computer-aided and 3D dynamic simulation, we are capable of optimizing the effect of the whole production process, easily making clients clear about the whole project, and bringing clients professional, innovative, and perfect product effect. Our professional sales team is able to help you select the most suitable model equipment. 500 designs in 8,500 square meters modern showrooms for you to choose. And we are able to customize new equipment according to your special request. We support customers' one-stop, turnkey service from factory land selection, GMP purify room decoration, formula, raw material, packing material, equipment model selection, machine layout design, abroad installation, workflow guidance, operating training for cream line, liquid line, perfume line, toothpaste line, Vaseline line, lipstick line, corrosive chemical line. We will keep on repaying customers' care via exquisite craftsmanship and continual improvement in product design, manufacturing, quality, and service. Choosing SIPUXIN machinery, wise choice makes success.